Hey guys, out here in London, Kensington, off to the first site visit of the day to go meet the architect, the contractor, do evaluation, chat about some steel work that happens to be poking into the chimney breast. And obviously that's not good, it can cause a fire, so we'll see how it goes. So just finishing up that site meeting, the architect, contractor, structural engineer. Problem really is some pretty poor building work from a previous contractor. Steel sticking right through the party wall into the chimney flue. But I think we've got a solution for where our columns are going to go. We'll do some trial holes, get that to the engineer, wait for our report.